Instagram, Facebook. Who would have ever thought? This one is surviving and excelling after losing your job. I wrote this back in 1990. Lost my job in 95, and then I lived next door to a person who was an escort for about 3 months. I used to just get free alcohol, long as I would be her partner when she went out and stuff. So it was like this. She's a blonde girl, and I'm like this big guy. So I used to be like the bodyguard. So that's when this brings back, when I wrote this, and I think back, what was going on in 95? That's when you used to pay money to use the internet and stuff. You could go to Starbucks and study and not be disturbed. You used to go to Kinko's and like pay $5 to do your stuff. So I remember I used to do all that, because back then to get unemployment, you either had to go to school or you had to get a job. So that's how I started learning German, because they didn't have all the other courses like Espanol was taken. So I ended up taking a German class, dating a German professor and stuff, all kind of crazy stuff. But yeah, who would think surviving and excelling on your job led to this? Use the power of interest to pay down your loans down faster. I'm gonna wear this to the gym from now on. People like have one person look at my shirt, like, oh, okay. Well, look at this. Use the power of interest to pay your loans down faster. Now I add the email. Second phase of marketing. Once we get attention, just let people email me. Hey, and if they don't like to email me, booyah. Then I feel it when they see me walking away. He's so arrogant. What is he talking about? Then I go, bam. TooOldToBeBroke.com. Consider credit card balance. Blang, blang, blang. And then I hit them with the credit card balance transfer. And now the way I'm going to make money, hey, do you want to sit down with you for like $30, $40? Just show them how to do that. The banks do all the credit card transfer stuff. I don't have to do anything. I can look for the banks. It could like 100 people, that's 5,000. Then after that, a few subscription programs to help them out. And then boom, have them go on and do their own thing. Or we'll teach them how to brand their own t-shirts instead of wear like Air shirt. Oh, you see that movie Air? How they branded Michael Jordan? Why don't you just brand yourself? Why are you wearing somebody else's shirts for $50 where you can wear your own shirt for $10? Cradle to grave, help your own self out. Booyah, booyah, booyah. So this shirt, we'll be making this debut tomorrow at the gym. But I want you guys also to look at this. This is a excellent little newsletter I'm selling. $10. If you want me to copy this, I'll sign it. Or if you want just a PDF copy signed, that's $5. P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. I remember back then I used to like send checks to the P.O. boxes for the like, who remembers all the way back to Airport where the newspaper was? You used to place that one odds and have people call you. Now it's so much easier with the internet and social. You can just reach and craft your message. That's why we're trying to use Grant Cardone. Let's see if money follows attention, attention follows money. But eventually you gotta have something for people to buy. And that's where we are now. So it will make its debut tomorrow. I'll be working out, pull that shirt off. We'll see what they have to say. They always look away. It's okay, look away. There's an email, man. People don't have to know you're talking to me. I'm like the cops, man. I ain't gonna tell nobody. You my informant, just get your money. Give you your money, you make your money, go about your way, man. TooOldToBeBroke.com, man. Be making this debut if you don't like that. Surviving and excelling after you losing your job. Remember, I got this patent. And there's also like a secret little newsletter, a cover letter that can help you. If you don't have the skills on getting the job, let the person know I don't have the skills, but I can do this. That's how I got the job at the Adult Learning Center. So tomorrow the shirt debuting. If you're at McDonald's, Google, Meta, $10 for the written one. You say, Martin, why are you charging money? Hey, only the smart people with the skills and the hunger are gonna want to get that money. Other people. I see you in downtown San Bernardino. There's a corner for you if you don't want to pay. You want to hope you gonna hope Biden with all this Trump stuff gonna help you out? Oh, come on.